Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about like a very important thing like that you might have missed it. Like if you are struggling to get started with affiliate marketing, so if you are not able to pick up the right strategy or you have already picked up the right strategy but it is not working for you, so this video is for you. So today I'm going to talk something about related to like playing to the situation. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be documenting my journey on this channel. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button. And also, before we actually talk about today's topic, be sure to check the first link in the description if you want to get started with high ticket affiliate marketing today. So coming back to today's topic, like I was watching one of the videos and he spoke about this topic and it really kicked me in, because this was the thing I was facing for quite a long time and I was not able to get started with affiliate marketing. So if you're already successful in affiliate marketing, so there are some strategies that are already, you're flying already, so this video is not for you. So this video is for someone who is already who is trying to get started with affiliate marketing, who is aspiring to be an affiliate marketer, or somebody who has already started but they're not able to decide the right strategy for them. So this video is for them. And talking about like this episode is mostly about like playing it to the situation, because it's very important that once people come online, they go ahead and join multiple Facebook groups, and they go and try and look for many YouTube videos, and some of them even buy multiple even courses as well. And what happens is like everybody has their own style, and what happens, like most of them, like they go on Facebook and they see somebody who is excelling with Facebook organic or Instagram ads, Facebook ads, or there is any trending strategy that is working fine for them. Like they go ahead and see like, oh, that is looking nice and I want to go and start with that. Somebody comes and says you like YouTube is working fine for me, and you like I'll go ahead and create a YouTube videos. And if somebody says like I got all success all through organic SEO, that is through just creating a blog post, so they go ahead and try that. So you don't want to be in such situation, like once you join multiple groups, you want to see multiple things that are running for successfully for others, and you want to implement that. You don't want to go ahead and check the trends that are running already, so you want to stick with your expertise. For example, like you got to play to your strength. What I meant by that, like if you are introvert and if you are good at writing, like nobody can change that. Like if you are on that category, definitely you should go for blog post. Even if somebody comes and say you should go for YouTube, you should go for blog post. And you are good at writing, you can write thousands of words articles in every single day, then definitely you should go for that. But if you are extrovert and you would like to talk to like on camera, like you would come to YouTube. Like what I'm trying to convey the message here is like you need to play to your strength. Like you need to understand, because nobody is going to answer them, nobody will be able to answer those questions but yourself. So you got to come up with a list like that you're expertised, and that defines your character, because being authentic online is very important, and that's what will give you more success in the long run. For example, if you're an introvert, you never spoken on camera, and initially when somebody tells you like you go ahead and jump on YouTube, like you can eventually start that, but I highly recommend that you play to your strength, that you go for blog post first, see some results, and then slowly steadily and start learning new skills, and now start implementing YouTube. So if you come to YouTube like without any expertise, like if somebody just told you saw that's trending but it's not your strength, once you start coming in talking on the camera, like every body part is telling you I'm not this person, I can't do this, so that becomes much of a hustle. So I would highly recommend like you know your strengths, what are your strengths, and act accordingly. And then later on, like slow and steadily, you can add up and learn new skills, and you can expand your wings to wider range. So I just gave an example of blog post and YouTube. It can work with anything. Like I just gave an example. For example, if you're not at all good at Facebook ads, because just someone told, like you came and started burning your money on Facebook ads, that should not be the case, because you got to play to your strengths. And if you need help with like being on your personality, like who you are, there are a lot of people with different categories they talk about. You can go ahead and follow them. Maybe you can schedule a call them, even if you need to pay for the strategy call in order to get help with you. like pay for them and like understand like what your expertise and how you can go about it if you need help with your strategy. I have third link in the description. If you want to get connected, you can schedule a free strategy call. If you are at this stage right now, we will help you with the strategy that you need to work out. So this is few things like I spoke about. There are other multiple variables as well. It could be like maybe you're working in a job and you don't want to show your face online to everybody like that you're doing this, and it could be your money your loan finances, and it could be your skill set because you're completely newbie and you come from a totally different background, you don't know anything about online marketing. So there are multiple various factors that impact it. So you got to pick up like where you're expertised. If you are not expertised, get helps from someone and try to learn new things that you are passionate about, and you don't feel like stopping it like once you get started, because consistency is the key to success here in online business. Because many people will get excited, they get started and they do for a month or two, then they quit again, they follow another one. So you don't want to do that. You want to back your strengths, and then like you're gonna pick up things and you just stick with it for a longer time. So many people don't focus about it, like they just go ahead and see like what's trending, how they can go ahead and do that, and they start implementing. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and I hope I made my point. Like if you have any questions, or if you want to if you need help with your online business, be sure to check the first link in the description. And also if you want to connect with me, I'll leave my email address in the description. We can connect. And if you have any questions also, like you can just schedule a call, like if you need help with your strategy that you are struggling with. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you. That's it for today.